So this washer was making a very loud drill sound when it would try to go into spin cycle. It was very loud. And the issue was this motor pulley, which you can see all the teeth are rounded out. And the shaft was just spinning freely inside, barely touching them, making this really loud sound. I could not find the solution anywhere on YouTube, so that's why I'm making this video. Hopefully save somebody from buying a new washer and dropping $600 when all you need is a $10 part from Amazon. And as you can see, the teeth here are all intact, but even then they're not very pronounced. So I think these systems were made to fail at this point. And all this does is press on. After you remove this cover, you'll expose the motor and the drum pulley. Remove that belt. This comes off, it just pulls off. You might have to break a couple of the teeth, and then this presses back on, just like so. Put the belt back on and let her rip. Hope this helps somebody out.